Hi guys, hello, welcome back to my class. So today I'm going to be showing you how to install font on Pixellab. How to install font on Pixellab. The first thing is there are many sites you can download font. We have Google Font, we have DaFont, we have 1001 font, and every other font site. But the best place you can download font is DaFont and Google Font. So let's head to Google Font. You go to your Chrome, and you search for Google Font. So you search for Google Font, then it's going to take you to the Google Font site. You see, so we go to fonts, where we are going to be seeing many fonts there. So we have fonts here, we have Roboto, we have Playwright, we have Nosa, Open Sans, Google Sans, Inter, Montserrat. Let's download Montserrat. So with that, we click on Montserrat and we click on Get Font and we click on Download All. So after we click on Download, so it has download finished, then we click on Open. After it has download finished, we go to our file manager. We go to the file manager, okay, and when we go to file manager, we go back, we see Montserrat font here. Open Montserrat. We can open Montserrat. So we have compressed Montserrat. So after you have compressed Montserrat, you go to Pixellab and you go to your text tool and you click on any text like this. You go to font and let's go to my font. Let's go to this file, this T file. You click on this T file and you go to recent. So recent, you go to download, we go to Montserrat. So we go to statics. So we have them there already. So Montserrat is already in. So then let's bring the folders. So we mark the folders and we bring them in. So we have Montserrat and Roboto here. You see, we have installed the font. So let's change that font there to Montserrat Extra Bold. You see now we have Montserrat Extra Bold here. That is how to install font on Google Font to Pixellab. So this is your assignment. Install a font on your Pixellab. Change the font. I know what the name of the default font on Pixellab. Install a font on your phone, import it to your Pixellab and screenshot it and send it as an assignment. You are going to be meeting tomorrow. Have a wonderful time.